Delegating when you're in charge is easy. Well, actually, doing it well isn't easy. But if there are people who report to you, it's expected that you'll ask them to do things. It's much trickier when you don't have that magical line management authority. So here are some things that will help you get stuff off your desk. Number one, build good relationships. People will help if they like you, understand you, and trust you. Every minute you spend investing in growing your network within your organization will be worth it. When you have a strong network, you've got a pool of people to ask, I really need some space to get this important thing done. Could you help me by doing this other thing for me? It's much better to say this to someone who already knows you. Number two, identify the best person for the job. Would anyone you know really like to do the thing you need to delegate because it's something they're interested in, or because they have really useful knowledge, or even because it would be a good development opportunity for them? Would anyone you know be really good at the job that needs doing, perhaps even better than you? People are more likely to help with something that's right in their wheelhouse. Number three, suggest an alternative to whoever made the request. I'm not sure I'm the best person to do this for you. Wouldn't Jane be better? She knows so much more about it than me. Now, there are some caveats to this. If Jane is overloaded already and you know it, don't be mean. And know that your boss might respond by saying, well, maybe Jane would be better than you, but I'm asking you to do this. Number four, be willing to be confidently vulnerable. By this I mean, don't be afraid to be honest and say that you can't get it all done. Look, I've got all of this stuff on already. I just don't think I can get this done properly on the timescale that you need. If it's your boss asking, this should lead to a meaningful conversation about priorities. If your boss is a good one, they should initiate it. If not, you might have to ask for it. In that conversation, set out what's on your plate, suggest the priorities as you see them, and explain why that means you don't think you can fit this new thing in. Now, your boss will respond however they do, and you might not succeed in delegating the task away from you, but your boss might help you rebalance your workload in another way. I hope that helps. Subscribe for more videos about leadership, and watch this one next. I'll see you there.